Hello and welcome to another adventure. What am I up to? Marking out my steps for my hammock. Good tree. Look at my new patch on my bag. Rolling out my hammock for later. Somewhere cozy to sit when I'm done. Don't forget to do your jumping jacks. Ouch. Here's me setting up my canvas to paint this pretty forest. That was my plan for today. And then it started raining. But that didn't stop me, because watercolors and water, well, they mix. I'm not an artist, but that's beautiful. Time to relax. Thank you for watching.